Whenever comes our term Disney comes to our mind, we all relive our childhood with their amazing movies and characters. But have you ever thought that what it takes to create those amazing Disney characters? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and sometimes cartoon. And you are most welcome in this brand new episode of Art Knowledge, in which I want to tell you how you can create your own character like a Disney movies. So without wasting much time, let's just go and watch this video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel for more creative updates and do like and share this video with your friends and family members. So before starting this video, you should know that what kind of art style does Disney follow to create their movie characters. So the name of the art style is rubber hose animation. बेसिकली ये जो एनिमेशन स्टाइल है, इसमें जो कैरेक्टर होता है उसके कोई बॉडी में जॉइंट्स नहीं होते हैं, आर्म्स आर वेरी कर्वी एंड लेग्स आर वेरी कर्वी. सो इसी आर्ट स्टाइल को यूज करके डिज्नी ने अर्ली ईयर्स में अपनी एनिमेटेड मूवीज क्रिएट की, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ऐसी टेक्निक्स या ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल नहीं थी कि हम अपने एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर्स को मूविंग फॉर्म में दिखा सकें. सो एक एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ करते थे, उनके साथ में सीक्वेंस में लगाते थे, पिक्चर क्लिक करते थे एंड देन वो काइंड ऑफ स्टॉप मोशन क्रिएट करते थे यूजिंग दिस आर्ट स्टाइल एंड दे प्रेजेंट देयर animated movie in front of you. So this was the main reason they were able to create that amazing art style, amazing characters for us. So now it's time to talk about the process and the steps it takes to create a character like to draw a character like this. So basically there are simple 7 steps which you should follow to create your own Disney movie characters. And now I'm going to tell you about those 7 steps you should follow so that it will be easy for you to create your own character like a Disney. So the step number 1 is create a big head and a small long neck. Always remember, अगर आपने कभी नोटिस किया हो, जो डिज्नी कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, मेन कैरेक्टर या सब कैरेक्टर्स, उनके जो फेस होता है उनकी बॉडी के कंपैरिजन के हिसाब से बाकी बॉडी जो होती है काफी छोटी होती है और फेस थोड़ा बड़ा होता है. So this is the step number 1. Always make a big face as compared to the body of the character and a thin long neck. Now comes the step number 2. Create a long bridge nose with a small tip. These kind of noses look very cute in person, and the best part about these types of noses are that they are suitable for all kind of characters, whether it should be a baby, small teenager or an adult. ये pattern change नहीं होता. Maybe the size should be changed, but the pattern of these kind of nose can never be changed, and which actually makes a character looks more cuter. The reality में ऐसी noses बहुत कम available होती हैं, but when the Disney make their characters, they keep in mind that their characters should look cuter in every possible way. Now comes the main part of the character, which is their eyes. If you ever notice that the eyes of the Disney characters are very big, as compared to other facial parts, the eyes are very big, with big rounded eyes, with pupil of brown, hazel brown, grey, blue, green color of pupil. They never put complete black pupil. I don't know why. Maybe other colors look really better than plain black colors, but obviously it's all about taste. So the eyes are to be very big as compared to other facial features. Now comes the next part of this character making, which is making a lips. Lips should not be very big or colored, which as per the trend, the colored lips are very beautiful people think. but for Disney character, the lips should be very simple, very straight, very normal. In normal lips, you and I have, because if you notice, the eyes are already big in a character face, and अगर बाकी facial features भी बड़े होंगे तो बहुत अटपटे से लगेंगे, वो मजा नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि face eyes is the most important part of the character, and बाकी facial features जो है वो हमेशा small होते हैं Disney characters. So does the lip sound. Simple. After making face, now it is time for creating hairs. So just like Disney, you can also be creative with the hairs. It can be of any color, and it could be of blonde, black, brown, hazel brown, caramel brown, burgundy, maroon, purple, whatever color you want, you can put in your character. And it could be hairs could be straight, wavy, curly, or whatever the type you want. And this is basically depends on the character you are creating. Simple. Now comes the colors. Okay, what kind of colors you should use? One of the most important things is never ever use those shimmery colors in your artwork. To make those character look shiny and bright, you can use more shading techniques, but always use a certain and very decent colors, very normal colors. Use shading techniques to make those artwork look shiny. So उन techniques के थ्रू अपने काम को shiny दिखाइए. Please don't add those shimmery, वो सारे उसकी जो essence होती है ना character की, वो खत्म कर देता है. Now comes the most important part, which is details. Yes, details do matters. In every work you do, always put details. Because जितनी ज़्यादा details add करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा आपका जो काम है उसमें originality आएगी, उसमें clarity आएगी, आपका character की बहुत ज़्यादा वो original लगेगा, और उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा the audience can feel the character. I remember a few years back, a movie called Ratatouille. This is Pixar's movie, and I was listening to their interview of the makers, and they said that how they kept every single detail of the movie. Like the Ratatouille was about city Paris. कैसे वहाँ पर एक rat और अच्छा cook होता है और वो एक restaurant में पहुँचता है. If you have already watched that movie, you know what is the story. So they told us that in that movie they kept every single detail, like Paris की streets कैसी होती हैं, वहाँ के लोग कैसे होते हैं, उनके कपड़े कैसे होते हैं, उनका खाना कैसा होता है, वहाँ पे streets पे markets कैसी होती हैं. So they kept every single detail. So जब जो भी इंसान उस मूवी को देखेगा वो एक्सपीरियंस कर पाएगा कि वो पेरिस में ही बैठ के पेरिस की पूरी कहानी को सुन रहा है. So that's the empathy of details in your artwork. So always try to put as much as details to make your artwork more clear towards your audience. So I just hope this video was really helpful for you, and if whenever you plan to create your own Disney character, you know what step you should keep in mind, and if you do so, you know what you have to do. Share it with your artwork with me in the comments, along with your experience while making those characters in the comment section below. Do share this video with your friends and family members, and do subscribe to my channel for more creative updates. Like this video, share and do comment about your experience. I will see you next time. Till then, tata, bye bye. See you.